Alright then guys, welcome back to the channel. This is actually the second video for today. It's Sunday, it's a very sunny day and we're here in Crosby, at Crosby Beach. These houses are absolutely stunning and they look straight onto the beach, just the other side of this fence here. So we're gonna get David up and see what this place looks like from above. So here we are guys, Crosby Beach, and as you can see there's no flight restrictions in place. So yeah, we can fly here. There's no RF sets in place. The closest one is up there by the RAF Woodvale. So yeah, legally allowed to fly here, so let's do it. So this trying to use this gimbal, and it works for about 5 seconds and then it just decides to give up like that. Does anyone know how to fix it? Like, I don't know. So it's balancing there, but then after a few seconds it just decides not to balance. No worries. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to hold the phone with my hands guys instead of this gimbal because it's not working, so let's get out. So I've not been here for years. Crosby Beach. Adelaide Garden. Beautiful. People sitting around. Beautiful. Hello, seagull. So it doesn't look like you can get through here, can you? It's the beach over there. This way. It's just the garden, so we might try and walk somewhere else. Or we could send it up from over there, couldn't we, to see what it's like. We're out the way, aren't we? Public place. There's the houses. Send it up from over there, can't we? So we're out the way. Hardly got any battery on my phone again, so hopefully it'll last during the flight. Alright then guys, so let's send David up here at Crosby Beach, see what this place looks like from above.
Takeoff, home point updated.
Stand in some shade so I can see the screen. Wow, look at that.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude 120. And this is Crosby Beach, guys. It's absolutely stunning. A nice boat just sailing out there. Heading out into the Irish Sea. Let's go over and have a look, shall we? Let's go and investigate. Lots of people having fun on the beach. Enjoying this beautiful weather. Well, we've got it. It's Liverpool. Seaforth docks over there. The boat following that container ship over there. They want to try and find some of these statues they've got on the beach. There's these statues that they look like this fella's standing in the beach. Just look at how lovely that is. Just lost signal there for a second. There we are. Can't really see it on the screen because it's so bright. But, there they are, they're the fellas, aren't they? That's just a fella standing. It's a statue. Standing in the beach. I think that's people just right next to it as well though, so we won't go too low, don't worry. Just a beautiful day, innit? So I'll show you what this beach looks like. Anyone local to the area, come down, pay it a visit, 'cause it's absolutely stunning. I hope everyone's enjoying the day. Liverpool are playing Arsenal this afternoon. Absolutely stunning scenes. So you can see we're losing connection a bit, like so. We can get a little bit closer back. Now where are we? in that one. Just want to wish everyone a very happy Sunday. I hope you're all happy and healthy. Enjoy this weather, guys. Get out. Really. Just a little bit of sunshine just brightens your day up in more ways than one. Absolutely stunning at Crosby Beach. I'm going to bring it back anyway because I've not got a lot of battery left on my phone. I don't want to risk it. So I'll bring us back to where we are, which is just over here. This beautiful Adelaide Gardens. Look at them houses as well, like it's just, imagine living there. What a view, eh? Stunning view. It'll bring us down anyway.
Landing.
Let's get this packed away. Yeah, just a little flight, wasn't it? Quick one. That's it, guys. I'm gonna have to charge my phone. Hopefully get another flight done once my phone's fully charged. That's it for now. It's been beautiful here at Crosby Beach. Sat in Adelaide Garden. But yeah, let us know if there's any places you'd like me to visit, anything you'd like me to film, you know. I'll be moving on to another location shortly. So I'll let you know. Let you know where I'm going. But yeah, till next time. Take it easy. So that's it, guys. All finished there at Adelaide Park, Crosby Beach. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to go on to another location, fly somewhere else in a minute. So let us know if you've got any ideas where you'd want to go. Yeah. Till next time, guys. Take it easy. Feel free to comment below any suggestions of where you'd like me to visit. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys.